2-minute lesson. Railway English. Buy your tickets at the ticket machine. What a beautiful old steam train. The signal is green. The train is on platform 7. Don't walk on the track.
Train line. There is a train line near here. Terminal. Tokyo Station is the terminal station. Interchange. The next station is an interchange. Station. My local station is near to my house. Local train. The local train is slow. Express train. The express train is faster. Super express train. The super express is the fastest.
It takes 32 minutes from Tokyo to Yokohama on the local train.
It takes 24 minutes on the express train.
It takes 18 minutes on the Super Express.